glad you're here. Thanks for joining me. In this bundle of videos, I am going to be looking at blocks and block removal. And in this video, I am going to be looking at what is a block and how is it created. And we need to know what blocks are, don't we, if we're going to remove them. So let's get straight on with it. I have really been looking forward to creating this bundle. I've had a lot of blocks in my life, so I know all about blocks. Family blocks, karmic blocks, past life blocks, and of course the blocks that I've created in this life as well. I really struggled until I got a real good understanding of what a block is and how to remove it. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you here. I know how much of a difference it can make in your life to remove those blocks. And that's why I am so invested in this bundle. So what is a block? How are they created? What do they do? And why should we care? In manifestational and energetic terms, belief creates thoughts. Thoughts create emotion. Emotion creates energy, and energy creates manifestation. A block is a thought, belief, emotion, and or energy that stops you getting where it is you want to go and stops you creating what it is you want to create. Each block is different because we are different, because our thoughts are different, because our histories are different, and because our wants are different as well. People can have blocks in a whole range of topics, including abundance and wealth, including health, including weight. It can be around love and romance, and we can even have spiritual blocks. Spiritual blocks are often when we are unable to connect with our higher self or our spirit guides, when we are unable to raise our vibration, or we can be blocked from aligning as well. This was a super short introduction to blocks and what they are. I'm going to be continuing this topic in the next video, and when it's available the link will be below, so why not join me there. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.